I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We pick the gems daily. Jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, bounce. We needed this, but the bulls need to regain the 200 simple moving average. We need a bullish break and a bounce retest. Continuation to the upside. Reminder, I'm giving away $1,000 at the end of the month. We're just going to do it monthly, $2,000 a month. So I'd already given away $500 twice this month, and we're going to give away $1,000 end of the month. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment in the comment box, tell one friend about this channel and the results you're seeing because of it. Boom, let's go. Let's zoom into some of the lower term time frames to figure out what is Bitcoin doing. I mean, essentially, this support level held right here. You've got this falling wedge. It'll be a lot easier to see on lower term time frames. I'm about to take you there in a second. And the bulls need to show up here. I mean, essentially, Bitcoin's just ranging. The ceiling, Bitcoin hasn't been able to break the ceiling. You want any type of upside, Bitcoin needs to break out, retest here to see 50,000, 53,000. Otherwise, essentially ranging. Potentially, there's these support levels that you'd look to add to your position if Bitcoin moves lower. This will be a cleaned up version, 2-hour chart. You can see we had this essentially a double bottom with a higher low. This red support level held. Candle closes in about 18 minutes. The volume came in, right? And so, I mean, you got to get this 17 minutes till this candle closes. Right, and then a retest would even be better confirmation. But all eyes are on Bitcoin, man. Got to show up here. The bulls need a bounce here. We got this. We're waiting on this. Again, we need this. This is already closed on the 1-hour chart. This is good. The next move higher, or the next test for the bulls would be this level, about 45,750. So you want to see this support level regained by the Bitcoin bulls. Upside continuation. I mean, this overall larger pattern potentially is still in play. Upsloping consolidation. I mean, it's a rising wedge. You just didn't get a very good confirmation as far as the downside break goes. There wasn't any volume here, so it hasn't been easy to read what Bitcoin's doing. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, he said he made $10,000 in the past month from a $3,000 investment. Thanks to you in the group. Huge. This person on YouTube, shout out to Newbie 2 weeks in with gains. He 4.5x his money. He's up 450%. Great content. Let's go. That's all we can do is freaking go, baby. This person, I've 40x'd my money. Huge. Since I joined your group 8 months ago. You made me a multimillionaire. You changed my life forever. Look at these numbers. Man, $2.9 million. Banging. Imagine that. You know, you're close to $3 million, multi-millionaire status. This is the biggest opportunity of our lifetimes. You've got to make it count. I'm going to make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups, period. For the next couple days, I can take about 10 payments via PayPal. If you want to pay upfront for the year only, just email me. I'll give you the details so you can just PayPal money transfer. I've got a few spots left. Right now, if you go to the website, cryptorev.net, pay with cryptocurrency, you get 50% off if you pay for 6 months or if you pay for the year. With the year, you get an additional month for free. If you do want to pay with a card month to month, there is a monthly credit card option. Look in the description of this video. There's a link to take you directly to the website. I got some gem picks coming for you shortly. These are some of the recent trades we have. Luna, we're going to rebrand it Muna because it's been good to us. Sol, we nailed Sol. So many of these coins, we've had positive price action. 46, 88, 28, 29, 57, 233, 32, 27, 28, 29. This is in a short period of time, just over the last few days. MTV, you guys saw this yesterday. 12,500 people saw this. Parabolic gem pick. Did it go parabolic? Boom. 23%. It was up 23% in 3 hours. Huge. Gem pick city. I got 2 more of these coming on Kucoin. ready to go. This is AVAX. This is just mental note, right? This is a note to self. When you see $180 million liquidity mining incentive program announced to increase a crypto's scale in DeFi, pay attention. Like, this news has different amounts of significance, obviously, right? Some news is clearly more significant than others. So, I mean, they're injecting $180 million into AVAX's platform for essentially liquidity mining. You can see the market responded with 81% gains out of this news for AVAX. You already had a strong technical pattern. Right? You can't really see it because this is in front of it, but you had this like rounded bottom. It broke out above this previous resistance level and took off 81% gains out of AVAX. Now with AVAX for entry, I mean, you want to get the biggest pullback you possibly can, right? If you were able to get $21 AVAX, that would be great. But if you get a bounce, and it's all about get Tradingview, draw these support levels. You know, $24 would be at a good entry, right? You want to get a pullback. If you got a retest to this 200 simple on the daily at about 24, right? So you're looking for pullback and then bounce, right? This has some upside because of this liquidity mining injected money. Fun has a bunch of news, and so we got in on this breakout earlier. You potentially want to see either a retest down here or a break of this level, and then Fun to continue higher. So Binance had an AMA, and they announced X Fund. It's going to be pegged 1-to-1 and linked to Fun. This is going to have a huge impact on the price, more than any token burning program, the CEO of Fun Token stated. Now, so the Fun Token, it launches Layer 2 token on the Polygon network. And so they're excited to announce this new layer of Fun. It's called X Fun. Essentially, the X Fun token will replace Fun as a token behind the number of new gaming ventures over the next 6 months. And again, keep an eye on Fun. Gem pick on Kucoin #1. Every time the price action has run down here and hit this level, you got a double bottom and then explosive move. This is Dfyn. Okay, they also have some news where they're announcing a partnership with Unmarshal, where the alliance is an explicit agreement between Unmarshal and Dfyn network to achieve a common purpose of uplifting DeFi and Web3. This is a small cap. Gem pick. You see, came down here, double bottomed, right? Bullish idea, bullish setup, right? Out of the box. Got some news with it too. This happened here. You see, you got breakout and then a retest and then explosive move. So here you go, double bottom. Double bottoms pay the bills with a higher low. You've got this bull flag forming. You can see it's moving. There's been some volume coming in. Dfyn, gem pick #1 on Kucoin. Remember, Kucoin links in the description. Set up an account on Kucoin and get in on these gem picks. ERA is moving. Can't get these videos out fast enough. As page of news, right? Some of it's September and then some December, right? Remember, all the news is stacked at the end of the quarters, right? So you'll plan on seeing like these hype rallies based on these quarterly roadmaps. And so just to go over some of VRA's hype rally news, you've got September the 30th. They've got Vera Wallet mobile apps. They've got EFC map veto system. They have esports fight club store. They've got partnership purchases. They've got player matching. They've got Vera Wallet notifications. They've got cosmetics and currencies. And then they have a ton of news coming in December too. The next thing I want to talk about is this pattern. Rounded bottoms pay the bills. You could even call this an Adam. This is Adam. This is Eve. Double bottom. Okay, just on this measured move. Let's just on this measured move. All right, and you got volume coming in for a breakout here. So probably we'll just take an average somewhere in here. All right, just on this measured move, you're looking at 55% gains over time out of VRA. Very solid technical pattern. You've got a ton of news. Moon mission. Kucoin gem pick #2. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.